I've told multiple people that I have enrolled for a computer science associate's degree next semester, and about 90% of the responses I get from that have something to do with the golden arches. It's no secret that the tech industry is going through a couple of growing pains. We got layoffs, we got oversaturation of the job market, and we have a lot of unemployment. And knowing all of this and putting all of this into account, I still registered for a computer science degree. Why? Ever since 2020, the tech industry has been going kind of haywire. It started with the layoffs that happened back in 2023 and continue to be happening today. We also have AI, and that probably caused half of those layoffs. But there's another big issue, and that is the oversaturation of the amount of people that got computer science degrees. In between like 2010 and 2015, the amount of people who got computer science degrees skyrocketed way faster than the amount of people that were hiring. And so now, today, we have so many computer scientists and so little jobs for these people to go in. I'm sure you guys have seen all those videos of like the people who apply to like 1,000 jobs just for a couple to get interviews. So yeah, it's rough out there. And it's looking like I would be paid more for microwaving a burger than writing code. In 2015, during the peak of the Learn to Code movement, I guess you could say, so many people went into this field just because it looked like you could make a lot of money. And that still continues to be true a little bit today. But here's the thing. I like to code. There are so many people out there learning to code that really don't care at all about the coding part. I started coding all the way back in middle school, and I've continued to learn and build on those skills all the way up until now. And so maybe I'm just continuing on this path just because I don't want to waste all that time that I spent, but also, I just really like to code. I like creating things, and I like solving problems, so the idea of doing that for a job excites me. And even if it looks all shaky, even if it all looks like it's crumbling to the ground and the chance of employment is so low, I just want to build things. And so that's why I decided to do this computer science thing. And another thing, it is a computer science degree. It is not a programming or coding degree. So even if coding goes away to AI and ChatGPT and it can do all that work, there is still a need for computer scientists. There are still people who need to understand these machines and who can build on these machines. Also, side tangent here, the whole AI thing, the whole AI coding is so overblown. All the big AI companies like to say that they can replace every single programmer, mostly just to appeal to CEOs and shareholders. But at its core, AI does not create. It doesn't. It's not creative. And it's just based on the current structure of how AIs are made. They are made to look at existing things. They don't create their own thing. They can't be creative. They can't make something that's never been seen before. They can't make a solution to a problem that is new. And you might say, well, what about in a couple of years? Well, sure, but the current AI can't do that. So we'd have to create a whole new AI that can actually learn. And that is as far off as any other fantasy concept. Hey, maybe I am cooked and I'll end up homeless, but at least I'll pick something that I actually wanted to do. And I feel like that's something I can say that a lot of people can't. Alright, that's it for this tangent. I'll see you in the next one.